Hey all, this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash, and we're here this morning. Great little country house. We're gonna clean this metal roof. You can see the debris that's on there, and you can see all that grime that's on there. But we're gonna clean all of that off and get this roof looking just about like new. We're gonna do the garage. You can see it back in the background. There's Chris in the background. We got Eli here today, and we're gonna get this roof cleaned up. So stay tuned. We'll show you how we do it. So as we work our way around this roof, got Eli up here on the ladder, spraying it off, rinsing the roof off. It's really coming clean. You can see these sections in here that were full of grime. It's a little wet, but it's really cleaned it up nicely. Let's walk around here. Here's our little buddy today. Hey pal. Hey pal. He just showed up, so I guess he must live in the neighborhood. But here we are, coming to the garage roof, and this is what we're going to be tackling next. You can see a lot of grime on that roof, and I expect it to clean up every bit as well as the front of the house is cleaning up. So stay tuned, and we will show you the end result. Well, we are just about done cleaning these metal roofs. This is the garage roof that we cleaned. Got some shadows on it just from the trees above, but it looks really clean. That grime really came off. You see over here, this side roof is really shiny. Over here on the main house, cleaned up really nicely. Doing the final rinse there. Eli's doing that rinse for us. But this roof came out real good. So if we can help you with your metal roof, or your asphalt roof, or doing any kind of exterior cleaning, please give us a shout. Grizzly Soft Wash, 678-727-2062. This is Dennis. We'll talk with you soon. Grrr.